Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that your iCloud photos not signing on iPhone. So when you just go to the settings of your iPhone and just going to the general, sorry for that, you just go to the Apple ID and just go to the iCloud and you're saying that iCloud go back up and here you just when you just try to backup now and just cancel, you go back and here you just have the option of a sinus sinus your photos. So when you just try to do that, it's not working. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? So just go to the again iCloud and see the option of photos and it's saying that sinus this iPhone. So it's see the toggle. So when you just try to sinus your photos from the iCloud and you're just getting the error, so it's not working. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? So first of all, just go back again back and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So after that, just go to general section and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and just go back and just scroll down and just find transfer reset iPhone. Just tap that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just go back and just go to the Apple ID and go to iCloud and just go to the photos and just turn on that toggle. After turning on that toggle, you just connect to the strong Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And the third, check iCloud storage. So make sure that you just have enough storage in your iCloud. Just go back and see there my iCloud storage is almost full. So make sure that you have a iPhone iCloud storage. So make sure that you just have a storage, make sure it's not full. So if storage is full, then your silencing stops. So make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. The first step is that you just force restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just off your iPhone and again on it. And the fifth step is that you just turn iCloud photos off on every effective. So when you just go to the settings and go to iPhone and just again turn off that Google and again on it from there. So after doing that, you just follow all the steps which I'm going to tell that in this video. The sixth step is that you just sign out and sign in back into your iCloud. So just sign out your iCloud from the Apple ID and again sign in. So after that, you just restart your iPhone and again sign in. So after that, if your photo is still not signing, then maybe it's your iCloud server issues. So make sure you just wait for hours and check social media to check that is iCloud service is down or not. If it's not, then you just wake up patient and go to the nearby mobile repairing center for which were experts in the Apple. So make sure that you just check out from there and tell your problem to them to fix that issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.